Hi, it's me again. I hope you're having a good start of the day. I'm going to make tofu stir fry. So there's so many stir fries around there. This is just one of the kind of combinations whereby I just look at the fridge, my fridge, and what is left there because if possible, I don't want food waste. Let's do it. I have my tofu here. I have already sliced and drained. I will place a pinch of salt, paprika, and pepper, and then I wanted them to dry a bit, so I will bake this one in about maybe 10 to 15 minutes to dry before I stir fry in the pan. It's because I won't be using because I don't want to deep fry them, and tofu is it really needs TLC. It breaks right away, especially if it is fresh. Bit of pepper and just not so much salt. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Just to make sure it has some taste. Let's just turn it over so that it can get coated, and then let's place this in the oven. Okay, let me wash my hands. So before I place this in the oven, I'll show you the vegetables that we are going to use. We're going to add celery and one of my favorite vegetable ingredients, mini sweet bell peppers. It's so good. It has a different taste compared to the bigger ones, the capsicums. We call it capsicum also, so it's different. For me, this one really adds so much flavor into your dish. And then we're going to add for my greens, I'm going to add a little bit of kale. Yes, guys, you can cook kale too. Alright, and then for freshness, let's add some lemon a little bit later. Yeah, I think that's it. Let's place the tofu in the oven. Come with me. Time to stir fry. I'm putting about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Use healthy oils, guys. You can use coconut oil in this too. I'm also placing onions in this stir fry. I forgot to mention earlier because every time I stir fry, I saute some onions and garlic. I think it's a Filipino thing. We love our garlic and onions. We call it gisa. At the sides, I'm cooking something up here too. You don't need to worry on that side. That's fine there. Let's wait for it to be translucent. Just on low heat. Low medium. That's a little translucent already. I'm placing my garlic. I use 2 cloves. While my garlic is cooking, I'm also placing chili flakes. This is about 1/2 tablespoon. You can reduce or you can omit if you don't want it a little spicy. I always want a little kick. So good. Okay. Here I'm going to add a little salt using Himalayan. So you can use. This is just like I place like about 2 pinch. A little salt will go a long way. Okay, my garlic is a little brown already, and also my onions. This is good. I sliced my celery diagonally, and the mini sweet bell pepper, not so small, so that it doesn't disintegrate and it's still crunchy when you eat it. You don't want an overcooked vegetable. My tofu is still in the oven, but it's done. I just had it, I just opened it, and I'll get it shortly now, so I can place it here. It's so simple, guys. No other like sauces, just this. Oh, there is one. Speaking of sauce, I want to place a little balsamic vinegar here. Just a little. Balsamic. Do it quickly because this is a very big fish fry. There is about 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. Good. A little lemon. Balsamic vinegar is a little, it will like a little sweetness too, and because of my vegetables, these are not bitter, so it is really good. Okay, I'm ready to place my kale. This is already washed and I sliced. kale is such a very it's a sturdy leaves, like, so it's really good for stir fries too. It's not only for smoothies or salads, you can cook it too. It's really good, but of course don't overcook it. So when you see that it's already a little bit wilting, let's add our tofu, guys. I took it out from the oven. It's baked. It's a little dry already. It's so good. And remember, I already placed a pinch of salt there, so this is all good. No need to add any other stuff. Too much salt in our body is not good. So try to lessen your salt intake, everyone. Remember, our health and wellness is very important. Let's try our best. This is done. Let's plate it up. Putting some love. Here you go. Our tofu stir fry.